Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Today we are in the live market of 28th July 2021, and right now we can see the market has been started from the 9:15 candle. We are recording the in 5 seconds time frame as well as in 30 seconds time frame. I have kept the both chart as well as side by side, and then you can see the chart lively. Okay. So whenever we get a trigger, it will be triggered in our Algosys platform in the order book, as well as it will be triggered in our demo account right now. Okay. So let us see in the live market itself. Hi traders, right now the time is 10:14 a.m. at 20th July, and right now you can see the entry has been taken for a short entry at 10:13 candle with 30 seconds. It has been executed in 30 seconds time frame. Okay. So right now it has been executed. Okay, and I will be showing you in our Algosys platform. So the Algosys platform, the alert has been triggered at 10:13 with 38 seconds. Okay, so almost it has been taken only 8 seconds. It has been taken for execution, and at the same time it has been executed in our order book. You can see here. Now the order has been completed at the same time. It has been taken in our Demat account. Okay, so let us wait for the result of this trade entry, and I will be updating you. Okay. So you can see in 5 seconds also it has been taken a short entry right now. So the entry has been taken at this candle, that is 10, 17, 30 seconds it has been executed, as well as in 30 seconds it has been before itself it has been taken. So right now the market is giving you the movements. So now the timing in our system is 10:18 a.m. Okay, and you can see in Algosys platform at the same time it has been reflected. Okay, once I refresh, you can see the time has been taken at 10, 17, 43 seconds, both in options as well as the future it has been executed. Okay. And you can see in the Demat account also, the same time it has been executed. Only the almost 8 seconds it will be differing from the trigger of trading view and for Algosys platform. Okay. So this is the timing differs. So you can easily make it as an automation, right? So I will be reporting you after the trade ends. Hi traders, right now you can see the in 30 seconds as well as the 5 seconds the trades has been executed, and right now in 30 seconds it has been given almost 140 points as the till now it has been reached. If you have fixed the target in our settings tab, you can if you have fixed as an 140 as a target, or if you have fixed to 100 points as a target, it will be reached right now. So almost the market has given you 140 points till now. So according to our strategy backtest, we have given as a default as 350. So you can change whatever you want. Okay. So right now you can see the fully now it is given almost 34,407 has been reached, and the entry has been taken at 34,540. Okay. And in 5 seconds, you can see right now the 5 seconds has been executed at 34,535. The entry has been executed for sell entry, and the sell side it has been given the movement at least almost 34,407. It has been reached the low. So 120 points has been reached in 5 seconds, as well as the 30 seconds has been given you 140 points. Okay. Okay. So let us wait for the next moves of the market. So stay tuned. Hi traders, right now you can see here. Now I have kept in a short position. Right now in our until right now you can see the 308 target has been reached for our sell entry, and the stop loss we have fixed in a default as a 40 points. So till now the stop loss has not triggered. So right now you are in a point of 308 in future. So according to the future you will be getting in options. So and our default target is 350 is almost going to be reached right now. Now perfectly. You have got 308 points. (308) to 316 right now it has been reached, and in live you can see the Excel. So right now our target has been reached perfectly, and you can see in the trigger has been came here. So right now you can see the strategy tester also. Our entry has been given you 350 points as the target today morning. Okay, this is for 5 seconds I am sharing. Okay, and as well as the 30 seconds also taken a before trade entry, and I will be showing it right now. So you can see the 30 seconds also has been reached. 30 seconds also has been reached 350 points, and your profit right now is 8,750 rupees as a net profit, right? So thank you traders. If you want to get access with our indicator, get access now, and you can start trading as an automated trade entries without any emotions, and you can make a peaceful, consistent earning through our strategy. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. And now you can see our overview has been reflected at 56,121 for 30 second strategy right now. So the entry has been taken 20 entries for the past 12 days. The result is 56,121 rupees has been reached with the max total almost it's that 3,505. 503, and the trade entry has been from the 13th July till date it is showing. So you can see, and I will be showing for the 5 seconds also. So the 5 seconds has been updated for this day, as well as you can see the net profit is for the past 5 days. It is showing past five trading days. It is showing 39,226 rupees has been reached with the 10 trade entries. Just it has been given 3,000 as a max drawdown, and it is showing from 20th July till date it is showing. So this is the status of today. So I think you have seen the live demo of the automation. So let us start making a consistent profit through our automation system. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Traders, till now we have seen every details about our automated trading strategy. And if you have any other doubts with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us. We will be clearing with the Zoom meet, and we will be explaining you about the strategy. WhatsApp us on 7200556708, and let us start the consistent earning with the fully automated trade entries. And there is no emotion in trading. Let us start a consistent profits from today.